Marine has asked me to discuss the second part of both the question. What about you, Fazil? Try किए थे questions?
जी मैं सेकंड पार्ट का आंसर निकाल तो लिया, लेकिन पता नहीं ठीक तरीका है या नहीं।
ओके वैसे वर्कशीट के तरीका ठीक है। अच्छा चलो वो डिस्कस कर लेते हैं। और आंसर्स आपके आ गए थे ठीक फॉर ऑल 4 पार्ट्स?
जी मिस।
Okay, chalo, that's good. Okay, so let's quickly go over 3(2) first. Hence, state the number of real roots of the equation px is equals to 0. अब आपने px को factorize कर लिया होगा in part 1. If you guys were able to do part 1, तो फिर वो आ गया question 3 part 2. तो ये मेरे पास लिखा हुआ है, please confirm whether this is right or wrong. X square minus x plus 3. And the other factor is the quotient x square plus x minus 2. Okay, equals to 0. अब solve these two brackets separately और देखो कि solve होती है या नहीं होती. So let's start with this one. X square minus x plus 3. Apply quadratic formula or apply factorization and tell me whether it's possible to get roots of these equations.
मैम ये फर्स्ट वाला पॉसिबल नहीं है, सेकंड में 2 आंसर्स आ रहे हैं।
Okay. Second में क्या 2 आंसर्स आते हैं?
1 और -2।
1 and -2. That means this would be x minus 1 and this would be x plus 2 is equals to 0. अगर इसको आप factorization से करें, ठीक है? And then you don't get any answers for the first bracket, but you do have to show it. इसका discriminant show करना है कि less than 0 है. So middle term breaking तो नहीं होगी, तो then you resort to using the quadratic formula. तो फिर minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So then you can write that b square minus 4ac is equals to, that's 1 minus 11. And that is less than 0. So no solution. Yeah, no real solution. And then you write hence 2 real roots. If your working does not show discriminant is less than 0, you will not get full marks. You must show कि जो first वाला bracket है ये real solution नहीं दे रहा. और क्यों नहीं दे रहा? क्योंकि इसका discriminant 0 से छोटा है. Okay, so this is what you were supposed to do in question number 3, part 2. All right. Question number 4, part 2. When a has this value, find the quadratic factor of px. So once you have a, you need to do long division and find the quotient. What's the value of a in question number 4, part 1?
4 आ रही थी मैम।
So x cubed minus 2x plus 4 is the dividend. The divisor is x plus 2. And we will do long division. X square, x cubed. Achha, I forgot to add plus 0 x square. Plus 0 x square minus 2x plus 4. So plus 2x square, change the signs, minus 2x square minus 2x plus 4. Then minus 2x, minus 2x square minus 4x, minus, sorry, plus and plus. So 2x plus 4, so plus 2 and 2x plus 4, which gives 0 as remainder. So find the quadratic factor of px. So this quotient is the quadratic factor of px. So the answer is x square minus 2x plus 2. Any further questions, Marine?
No, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. So, question number 5. The polynomial 2x cubed plus 5x squared plus ax plus b, where a and b are constant, is denoted by px. It is given that 2x plus 1 is a factor of px. And that when px is divided by x plus 2, the remainder is 9. Find the values of a and b. Factor की बात हो रही है, remainder की बात हो रही है, you will directly use factor theorem and the remainder theorem. So let's use factor theorem first. Okay. For factor theorem, you start with equating this to 0, which gives us minus half. You equate the divisor to 0, you get x equals minus half. Then you substitute that in px. So p minus half equals 2 times minus half power cube plus 5 times minus half power square plus a minus half plus b, and this should be equals to 0 since the remainder is 0 if 2x plus 1 is a factor of px. Now let's simplify this and we'll get our first equation in terms of a and b. So this would be minus 1 by 4 plus 5 by 4 minus half a plus b is equals to 0. I'm multiplying 4 on both sides. So minus 1 plus 5 minus 2a plus 4b equals 0. So we have minus 2a plus 4b equals to minus 4. That is minus a plus 2b equals minus 2. Let me just quickly confirm. This is what we were supposed to get. Yes, it is correct. Okay, so this was the factor theorem, and that has given us an equation in terms of a and b. Now let's use the remainder theorem. Okay, so equate x plus 2 to 0, which gives us x equals minus 2. So now you'll find p minus 2 and equate it to 9 because the remainder is 9. So 2 times minus 2 cube plus 5 times minus 2 square minus 2a plus b equals 9. So we have 2 times minus 8 plus 5 times 4 and 9 minus answer is 5. So we have minus 2a plus b equals 5. So yeah. Now solve these two equations simultaneously and give me the value of a and b. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Solve these and tell me what is a equals to and what is b equals to.
मैम a -4 और b -3.
That's correct. बिल्कुल सही आ रहा है. -3. Yes. Okay. Hope the others got the same answers.
मैम
जी.
मैम पता नहीं सिलेबस में है ये चीज या नहीं, बट लॉजिक क्या है ये रिमाइंडर ऑफ फैक्टर थ्योरम के पीछे?
I'll send you text from the book जिसमें इसकी लॉजिक डिस्कस हो रही है. ठीक है, I'll share it in the group. ठीक है, it is the proof
ठीक है.
of factor theorem and remainder theorem is not in the syllabus, but मैंने कहीं पढ़ा हुआ है, so I'll just share that with you. All right. अच्छा जी, part 2. Which is when a and b have these values, factorize px completely. How would we do that? a and b की वैल्यू आ गई, अब कैसे इस क्यूबिक इक्वेशन को completely factorize करें?
लॉन्ग डिवीजन विद फैक्टर
With what?
2x + 1.
बिल्कुल सही है, फैक्टर से लॉन्ग डिवीजन करते हैं. ठीक है, लेट्स डू दैट. अब आपने सिंथेटिक डिवीजन करनी है या लॉन्ग डिवीजन करनी है, इट्स अप टू यू. आई थिंक आई डू लॉन्ग डिवीजन. सो इट्स 2x cube plus 5x square minus 4x minus 3. That's the dividend. The divisor is 2x plus 1. Let's start dividing. X square would be the first expression of the quotient. 2x cube plus x square. Change the signs, minus minus. We get 4x square minus 4x minus 3 plus 4x, sorry, plus 2x gives us 4x square plus 2x. Change the signs, minus 6x minus 3. So we write minus 3 here and we get minus 6x minus 3. We change the signs and the remainder is 0. That means we have not made any mistake in the long division process. क्योंकि remainder 0 ही आना चाहिए था, क्योंकि 2x plus 1 is the factor of the cubic equation. Okay. So now we can factorize px completely. Px would be the product of this and this. It's going to be 2x plus 1 and x square plus 2x minus 3. Okay, I'm going to copy question 6 now. I hope everybody got this. Let me check the answer as well. शुक्र है आंसर देख लिया. We're not completely done. This can be further factorized. How can we further factorize this?
X plus 3 and x minus 1.
Exactly. So this would be 2x plus 1. And then we'll further do middle term breaking of this. X square minus 3x plus 3x minus x minus 3. So 2x plus 1. X is common, x plus 3 minus 1 is common, x plus 3. And this would be 2x plus 1, x minus 1, and x plus 3. This is px completely factorized. Okay. Question 6. Okay. The polynomial x cubed minus 2x plus a, where a is a constant, is denoted by px. It is given that x plus 2 is a factor of px. Find the value of a. So what do we do here? X plus 2 is a factor of px. Find the value of a. This is probably for 1 mark.
x equals minus 2 की वैल्यू इसमें डाल देंगे एक्सप्रेशन में
ठीक है
इक्वल
यार,
0 का
बिल्कुल सही है. We're using factor theorem. Which says that you equate your divisor to 0, which gives you x equals minus 2. Then you substitute this minus 2 in the divisor or in the given polynomial, and the answer should be equals to 0 since x plus 2 is a factor of px. So remainder hona nahi hai, so that would be equals to 0. So minus 2 cube minus 2 times minus 2 plus a should be equals to 0. Minus 8 plus 4 plus a equals 0. A equals 4. Wait. A equals 4, yeah. Okay, part 2. When a has this value, find the quadratic factor of px. So अदन बता सकते हो अब क्या करना
मैम ये लॉन्ग डिवीजन करेंगे जो क्वेश्चन आएगा वो आंसर होगा.
है. Have x cubed minus 2x plus 4, and here we have x plus 2. फिर मैंने plus 0x square नहीं लिखा. Plus 0x square minus 2x plus 4. Okay, so x square and then x cube plus 2x square. Change the signs. Minus 2x square minus 2x plus 4. So then minus 2x minus 2x square minus 4x. Two x plus 4. So plus 2. So 2x plus 4. Change the signs. Remainder is 0, as it should be. So the other quadratic factor is this. So our answer is x square minus 2x plus 2. Question 7. The polynomial 2x cubed plus ax square minus 4 is denoted by px. It is given that x minus 2 is a factor of px. Find the value of a. Marine, आप करा सकते हो ये? What do you think needs to be done?
We can use the factor theorem.
Yes, we will use the factor theorem. How will we use the factor theorem?
We will equate x minus 2 to 0, then we will substitute x is equals to 2 into the polynomial.
Yes, so P2, and what should the answer be equals to?
0.
Very good. Answer should be equals to 0. So that gives us 2 times 8 is 16 plus 4a minus 4 equals 0. So 4a equals minus 12, a equals minus 3. Let me confirm. Yes, that is correct. Factorize px. मेरी इन second part के लिए क्या करेंगे?
Long division.
Yes, of x minus 2 and the given polynomial 2x cubed minus 3x squared plus 0x minus 4. Two x cubed minus 3x squared plus 0x. So 2x squared, x times 2x squared is 2x cubed minus 4x squared. Change the signs. We get x squared plus 0x minus 4 plus x in the quotient, x squared minus 2x. Change the signs. Plus 2 in the quotient. Change the signs and the remainder is 0. The question was factorize px. जी
मैम अगर इसमें सिर्फ फैक्टराइज लिखा हो, कंप्लीटली ना लिखा हो, तो किस हद तक इसको फैक्टराइज करना है? ये क्वाड्रेटिक टर्म तक या बेसिकली एक्स के टर्म्स पे करना है?
completely regardless of whether it says factorize completely or it doesn't. Factorize का मतलब है completely factorize करना. ठीक है, तो आपने end तक ही करना होता है. अब इसमें क्योंकि completely नहीं लिखा तो chances हैं कि ये maybe ये further हो ही ना सके. We'll check, but you must always check. px, तो अब how do we factorize px, Mary? Question was factorize px. Once the long division is done,
We'll write x minus 2 in the bracket and then 2x squared plus x plus 2.
Good. Good. Okay, now we'll check whether this can be further factorized. You can do that directly in your calculator. I'm going to solve this quadratic equation in the calculator. It's giving me a complex answer, IRS. That means no real solution. That means this can't be further factorized. So we end here. This should be the answer. Yes, it is. Okay, that's part 2. There's also a part 3 to this question. What's that? Solve the inequality px is greater than 0. Okay. So x minus 2 and 2x squared plus x plus 2 is greater than 0. So हमने last year AS में quadratic inequality to solve करनी सीखी हुई है. Even to solve a quadratic inequality, you have to further factorize this. But in this question, it's not possible to further factorize this. And you already know that this will give a complex solution. So you must show that this gives a complex solution. So you will show that the discriminant is less than 0. B square minus 4ac, which is 1 square minus 4 times 2 times 2. ये क्या बन गया? minus 15. So minus 15 is less than 0. Hence, 2x squared plus x plus 2 has no solution. No real solution लिखना चाहिए. No real solution. Complex solution exist करता है. हम आगे पढ़ेंगे अगले chapters में. So for now, the inequality becomes x minus 2 is greater than 0 and x is greater than 2. जो solve नहीं हो सकता उसको आप निकाल दोगे equation में से. Moving on. This was part 3. आप लोगों के साथ इतनी जल्दी जल्दी क्वेश्चन सॉल्व होते हैं और दोपहर को मेरी एएस की क्लास होती है और उसमें मुश्किल से पूरी क्लास में we're able to do 1 or 2 questions. बहुत contrasting lessons होते हैं मेरे ये दोनों. Anyway, question number 8. The polynomial x power 4 plus 3x square plus a, where a is a constant, is denoted by px. It is given that x square plus x plus 2 is a factor of px. Find the value of a and other quadratic factor of px. So ये है, जरा आप बता दो क्या करना है. वैसे मुझे लगता है खुद कर ही लोगे, बट चलो बताओ.
मैम फैक्टर थ्योरम से करेंगे पहले पी इसको पहले हम सॉल्व कर देंगे जिससे मेरे ख्याल से एक मिनट.
We're trying to figure out if this can be further factorized.
नो मैम.
It can't be further factorized, so you can't use factor theorem. Factor theorem
सिंपली
means
लॉन्ग डिवाइड कर देंगे. लॉन्ग
हाँ,
डिवीजन तो
long division.
जो भी नंबर आएगा वो इक्वल टू 0 ही कर देंगे, फिर से a की वैल्यू ऑटोमेटिकली आ जाएगी.
सही है. हम लॉन्ग डिविजन करेंगे, रिमाइंडर जो आएगा वो a के टर्म में आएगा, बट रिमाइंडर 0 आना चाहिए. So we equate that expression of a in the remainder to 0 and that should give us the value of a. Let's do that. Okay, so x square, keep doing this. X power 4 plus 0 x cube plus 3x square plus 0x plus a. Just a second. Okay. So x square plus x plus 2, x square at the top, x power 4 plus x cube plus 2x square minus eliminated minus x cube plus x square plus 0x plus a minus x. So minus x cube minus x squared minus 2x plus eliminated 2x squared plus 2x plus a. So we add 2 here. Which gives us 2x squared plus 2x plus 4 minus a minus 4 is the remainder, which must be equals to 0. So a equals 4. Okay. Find the value of a and the other quadratic factor of px. We also have the other quadratic factor, which is the quotient x squared minus x plus 2. Okay. Question 9. The polynomial 4x cubed minus 4x squared plus 3x plus a, where a is a constant, is denoted by px. It is given that px is divisible by 2x squared minus 3x plus 3. Find the value of a. When a has, अच्छा चलो तो बाद में करते हैं. So exactly the same thing. Let's do it. In fact, can I ask you guys to do it on your own? ये खुद
Sure,
करो
ma'am.
question. It's pretty much like the previous question. If you struggle anywhere, just quickly send me a picture of your working. You don't even have to say anything if you're not comfortable sharing it. वैसे तो उसी वक्त unmute करके बताना चाहिए. But जैसे भी है, just let me know and then we'll go over it again. So try doing part 1 on your own and tell me what answers you get. सही है हैदर. अगला क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट करो.
Ma'am, can you tell the answer?
A is equals to 3. आया मेरी ये?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. Now do part 2.
I'm done with part 2. तो आप उसका भी बता सकते हैं?
हाँ, उसमें you write 2 brackets and you write less than 0 with it, and then you show that the quadratic expression cannot be further factorized because it does not give you real solutions. इसका discriminant show करना है कि less than 0 है. b square minus 4ac quadratic वाले का less than 0 है. So no real solutions for that. So all that's left is 2x plus 1 less than 0, और उससे आ जाएगा x is less than minus half.
Yes, ma'am. सही है.
Okay, excellent. Adin and Fazil, done?
Yes, ma'am.
जी मैम.
ठीक है, good. 10 करते हैं. Okay. So for question 10, the polynomial 2x cubed plus ax squared plus bx minus 4, wherein we are constant, is denoted by px. The result of differentiating px with respect to x is denoted by p prime x. It is given that x plus 2 is a factor of px. and P prime X. Find the values of A and B. So Fazil, what do we do in this question?
हम x equals -2 की वैल्यू आ जाएगी, वो एक तो इसके अंदर डाल देंगे, उससे एक इक्वेशन आ जाएगी हमारे पास, उसको डिफरेंशिएट करके अंदर भी -2 की वैल्यू डाल देंगे, तो साइमल्टेनियस इक्वेशंस हो जाएंगी, उनको सॉल्व कर लेंगे।
बिल्कुल सही। ओके, so what Fazil is saying कि पहले तो फैक्टर थ्योरम अप्लाई कर देंगे, x equals -2, so px का भी फैक्टर है, तो p -2 should be equals to 0, so 2 into -2 whole cube plus a into -2 whole square plus b into -2 -4, this should be equals to 0. So we have -16 plus 4a minus plus 4, no, sorry, plus 4a हो गया, -2b minus 4 equals to 0. So 4a minus 2b equals 20. So 2a plus b equals 10. Did you guys get the same first equation? Nice. यहाँ minus होना चाहिए. Okay, so that's equation number 1. Also, x plus 2 is a factor of p prime x as well. So let's find p prime x first. P prime x means the derivative of px. तो px का derivative क्या हो जाएगा? मेरीन आपको याद है?
No.
अच्छा, पावर नीचे आ जाती थी, ये जो 3 पावर है वो नीचे आके 2 से मल्टीप्लाई होती है, 6x और जो 3 है वो 2 बन जाता है। ठीक है, अब ax स्क्वायर क्या हो जाएगा? 2 नीचे आ जाएगा, a के साथ मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा और x आ जाएगा, फिर प्लस bx वुड बी प्लस b एंड -4 is a constant का डेरिवेटिव +0 होता है। I'm going to send you guys a new link now. So x plus 2 is also a factor of p prime x. So we'll write p prime minus 2, which will be equals to 6 2 square plus 2a times 2 plus b equals 0, which gives 24 plus 4a plus b equals 0. 4a plus b equals -24. -2 substitute करना था, गलत आंसर आ रहा है. This is -2, this is -2. So we'll get -4a over here and -4a over here. Okay, now this is correct. Okay, so this is equation 2. Solve these two simultaneously and tell me what you get for a and b. This and this.
7 4.
Sorry,
A 7 and B 4.
7 and 4. Okay. A equals 7, B equals 4. Right here. Let's give other a few minutes to do this. Marine and Adan and Fazil, let me know when you get 7 and
It's okay.
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 Okay, good. Part 2 karo. You'll be doing it yourself. And tell me the factorized form of px. Let me know when you have the answer.
मिस हो गया
क्या है क्वेश्चन?
मिस x plus 2 and 2x minus 1 फैक्टराइज हो गए और
ओके,
जो साथ में 2 है वो
क्वेश्चन बताना पहले अनफैक्टराइज्ड।
मिस वो है 2x squared plus 3x minus 2
What about the others? ठीक है, यही आना चाहिए। Okay, once you're done with that, you write px equals x plus 2 and 2x square plus 3x minus 2, and you must check whether this further factorizes, which it does according to Fazil. क्या बताया था फजील?
2x minus 1 और x plus 2
Okay, x plus 2 दो दफा है, so you may also write it as x plus 2 whole square times 2x minus. Okay, Fazil, do question 11 and question 12. I think आज 12 तक करेंगे. And girls, let me know when you're done with question number 10, or if you have any problems, if you get stuck anywhere you're supposed to tell. Then we'll do it on the board.
मैम हो गया 10
I'm done, ma'am.
You're done with it too, Marine?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so then we start 11. Okay. Polynomial x power 4 plus 3x cube plus ax plus 3. अब a जो है वो x के साथ आ गया. Usually a हमारा constant होता है जब ये linear नहीं होता. Devise it. Anyway, so this is x power 4 plus 3x cube plus ax plus 3 is denoted by px. It is given that px is divisible by x square minus x plus 1. Find the value of a. So let's start with long division. I think this is slightly different from the questions before. X power 4 plus 3x cube plus ax plus 0x square plus ax plus 3. It's divided by x square minus x plus 1. So x square at the top, x power 4 minus x cube plus x square. Change the signs, minus plus minus. 4x cube minus x square plus ax plus 3. Plus 4x 4x cube minus 4x square plus 4x. नजर रखना थोड़ी वर्किंग पे, गलती हुई तो प्लीज बताना। 3x स्क्वायर प्लस, इसको मैं कैसे लिखूं, ax प्लस 4x।
वैसे माइनस नहीं होना चाहिए था, -4x, क्योंकि साइन उल्टा हो गया।
माइनस 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 सही है, या माइनस होना चाहिए। इसको कैसे लिखें, ax माइनस 4x।
सिंपली
-4
x - 4x।
आमिर खान में फैक्टराइज कर देते हैं ताकि क्लियरली नजर आए कि x का कोफिशिएंट जो है वो है a माइनस 4 एंड देन प्लस 3। ओके
हम
नाउ
3 डाल देंगे ऊपर से,
हम्म
टॉप में 3 डाल देंगे क्योंकि ऑब्वियसली इसमें तीनों
हाँ
के सेम ही इक्वेशंस है।
हाँ प्लस 3 करेंगे क्योंकि अब हमें 3x स्क्वायर चाहिए। सो प्लस 3x स्क्वायर माइनस 3x प्लस 3। So that gives us minus plus and minus 3x square भी eliminate हो गया and 3 minus 3 is also eliminated. So we're left with a minus 4 plus 3 bracket x. We're adding the coefficients of x. So we're left with a plus 1. This is equals to a minus 1 x. And since this is the remainder, remainder 0 होना चाहिए था, so this would be equals to 0. If this is equals to 0, what should be the value of a? हम a find कर रहे हैं. So if a minus 1 bracket x is equals to 0, then what should be the value of a?
1
1. Yes, a would be 1. जब ये 1 होगा तो 0x बन जाएगा जो कि 0 हो जाएगा. So a would be equals to 1. Let me confirm. A equals 1 is correct. Okay. When a has this value, find the real roots of px is equals to 0. So a px would be equals to product of these two. Let's write that down. For part 2, px equals x square minus x plus 1 and x square plus 4x plus 3. Real roots का है तो most probably एक bracket real results नहीं दे रहा, उसका discriminant less than 0 का, but you must clearly state that in your working, otherwise you lose marks. So let's say ये इसकी middle term breaking नहीं हो सकती, आप calculator से भी check कर सकते हो. So you show that इसका b square minus 4ac, which is minus 1 whole square minus 4, 1 times 1, which is 1 minus 4, which is minus 3, which is less than 0. So no real solution. And for this one, x square plus 3x plus x plus 3. X is common, x plus 3 plus 1 common, x plus 3. So x plus 1 and x plus 3 equals 0. So the answers are, or the real roots are, x equals minus 1, x equals minus 3. Correct. Okay. I think let's end the lesson here. बहुत ज़्यादा questions हो गए. मेरा aim था 12 तक करा लें, but कल कर लेंगे इंशाल्लाह. Tomorrow we'll finish this topic and also start the next topic. Next topic is going to be modulus function. Again, a very easy topic. पहले इजी कर लेते हैं ताकि एक ही दफा झटका लगे। एनीवे, तो आई सी यू गाइस टुमारो। होमवर्क में आपने करना है 12 और 13 का पार्ट 2 के बिल्कुल एंड में ना लॉग चाहिए होगा। लॉग आपने फजील ने पढ़ा हुआ है और हैदर ने पढ़ा हुआ है, तो अगर ये एंड तक कर सकते हो परफेक्ट, नहीं कर सकते तो हम 13 का जहाँ पे लॉग आ जाएगा यू कैन जस्ट लीव द वर्किंग फॉर पार्ट 2, वो हम कल डिस्कस करेंगे। तो होमवर्क क्वेश्चंस आर क्वेश्चन 12 एंड क्वेश्चन 13। ठीक है, see you tomorrow. Allah Hafiz.
अल्लाह हाफिज मैम।
Hafiz.